Big movements in BRC Incorporated stock price on Thursday, moving 12.87% between high and low. The BRC Incorporated stock price fell by minus 11.11% on the last day, Thursday, 14th of April 2022, from $26.01 to $23.12, and has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the day, the stock fluctuated 12.87% from a day low at $22.77 to a day high of $25.70. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.78% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by minus 387,000 shares, and in total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $41.38 million. The stock lies in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $21.31 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 104.21% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $43.53 and $69.35 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals forecast: the BRC Incorporated stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average at the same time. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $28.08. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $20.43. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, April 11, 2022, and so far it has fallen minus 30.17%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. The stock had a golden star signal on Friday, September 10, 2021 in the long-term chart. Support, risk, stop loss on the downside. The stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $20.87 and $18.78. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, BRC Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $20.87. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $18.78 and $18.13. This stock may move very much during the day. Volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.93 between high and low, or 12.87%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 15.47%. Our recommended stop loss, $21.76, minus 5.90%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 3 days ago. Is BRC Incorporated stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for BRC Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. Current score, 1.835. Insiders are very positive as most new trades are buy in BRC Incorporated. In the last 3 trades there were 285.94 thousand shares bought. The last trade was done 32 days ago by Nielsen Heath Richard who bought 30.06 thousand shares. For the period there is more stocks sold than bought, but the most of the latest transactions are buy. This can indicate renewed interest by the insider, but also stock options expiring. Predicted opening price for BRC Incorporated of Monday, April 18, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price April 18, 2022 $23.86. Thanks for watching.